Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings, and in the settings, we're going to go to Wi-Fi. We want to turn the Wi-Fi off and on as a quick restart. And after that, what are we going to do is we're going to forget and reconnect to the same network in the Wi-Fi settings. So let's tap on the network. Now click on forget, and we will have to simply enter the password once again. So let's click connect, and as you guys can see, we're back and connected. Next, make sure that you can access your router. It's very important because you need to find the switch on the back of it and turn the router off and on. This is also the same thing that we did with Wi-Fi, but we want to restart the router, and now we want to restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what we're going to do is check for software updates. So we're going to go and open up the settings app. Here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and scroll down until we see system and updates. We're going to tap on software update, the first option from the top. And as you guys can see, it is checking for updates. I am up to date. But if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version, so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.